I decided to study Reiki. Well, initially I started to have some glimpses or some insights in some of my dreams. Sometimes I record my dreams and reflect on them, and I realized there were some experiences of energy in my hands and kind of sending and receiving energy between others. And I've always heard about Reiki. I never really knew what it was, so kind of putting the dots together, I felt called to explore it more in depth. And since I've been exploring like other practices like meditation, I thought, okay, I think this could be a great another tool to my arsenal, or just to keep on learning about the subtle body, because I have learned that there is tremendous layers of you could say reality beyond just what we see and what we experience. And I really want to expand my knowledge of what is beyond our ordinary capacity of perception. And I think Reiki does just that. I was pretty, you could say, skeptical, or I've heard controversial things about it, but after my first session, I definitely realized, like, okay, there's something real happening here. I don't know fully yet what, but definitely will still be exploring it in the future. I just moved to Koh Phangan this month, and I've been curious about different healing modalities, and I personally am interested in starting like a coaching service, starting my own private practice one day. Yeah, just following my intuition. I don't think I can see the light at the tunnel yet, light at the end of the tunnel, but I can see far enough to know that I think this is aligned with my intentions in life. My first impression was how unscripted it was, which is refreshing, because whenever there's too much script on anything, that kind of prevents authentic connection. But the teacher is very authentic. You could tell, speaking from his heart. It definitely felt like a space where I could be authentic and ask any questions, and there wasn't any extra agenda being pushed on me. But yeah, definitely just the beginning, very introductory level, I can tell. I guess it's all about following your own intuition. Everybody's their own teacher at the end of the day, and if you feel called, like it's part of your path, part of your journey, then jump into it, honor that intuition.